Hello mobile testers, welcome to this video. Let's install Appium so that we can write our first Appium test in the upcoming videos. This is Bakshu from Merit Pros. Learn today and lead tomorrow, that's the code for today. Then going further, Appium can be installed in two main ways. First one via Node.js, second one by downloading Appium desktop. So these two are the available ways. First, let's start with installing Appium using Node.js. So first question, what is Node.js? Some people may have heard about Node.js and some people maybe not. So Node.js is an open source, cross-platform and backend JavaScript runtime environment. Node.js allows us to run JavaScript in the server and outside a web browser. So with Node.js, we can run the JavaScript within our server, like within a machine or in a server side. Generally, we can run JavaScript within a browser. With Node.js, we can run in a system as well, in a server as well. Node.js represents a JavaScript everywhere ideology. So first we need to install Node.js within your system. If Node.js is already installed within your system, that is fine. If that is not installed, let's go and install Node.js. I'm going to go to Firefox browser, then search for Node.js. Okay, you can see the first link, nodejs.org, that is the official link. Click on that. Then based on your system and configuration, it is going to pick up the installer. You can also go to downloads. Then from here you can download different installers for Windows or for Mac or for Linux or 32-bit or 64-bit you can download. I have Windows 64-bit, so that's why for me Windows installer 64-bit is the correct one. So I'm going to click on that. Then it is going to start the download. You can see Node.js, then this is the version 14.18.0, that is the current version. Then click on to save the file. I have already got this file downloaded into software Appium folder, so let me go to that folder. I'm going to software and then Appium folder. This is the installer. Let me click on that. Okay, this is Microsoft Store warning, install anyway. Now we are going to install Node.js. Click next and then accept the terms. Click next and then this is the installation location, program files, Node.js. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now install all the features and then you can select this checkbox or not, up to you. So click next, then click on install. Okay, so it is going to install Node.js within our system. It may take few seconds. Let's wait. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment on the video. That is going to be really great. Okay, finally Node.js installation has completed. Click on finish. Now we have installed Node.js, so let's check whether it is installed or not. You can open command prompt. You can check whether Node.js is installed or not, or its installation location or version. So type node, then -v, that is for the version. You can see version 14.18.0, that is the correct version. You can also say where node, that is like installation location. You can see C program files Node.js, that is the installation location. Okay, so we have installed Node.js successfully. If Node.js is already installed within your system, you can use these commands to find out the version and installation location. Now let's go to the PPT, then proceed further. Now we need npm. So what is npm? Npm is package or module manager for Node.js. As you know, Appium is written in Node.js. Appium is like a Node.js package or module. So to install that, we need npm. So npm is like package manager for Node.js packages. There are different packages, even other softwares that we can install through Node.js. So for that we need npm. So the npm program is installed on your computer when you install Node.js. So we have already installed Node.js, so that means npm is already installed. So let's check that. Now I can go to command prompt, then I can say npm -v, that is to check the npm version. You can see 6.14.15, that is the latest version. Then I can say where npm, that is like npm install location. You can see C program files node.js npm, that is the installation location. So basically when you install node.js, npm is also installed as part of that. Now we need to install Appium. To install Appium on your machine, this is the command. We need to say npm install -g Appium, that is the command. So this is like do it yourself tutorial. So exactly whatever I am doing step by step, do that in your machine and follow me. So now we need to say npm, then install, then -g, then Appium. So we are saying that install the Appium package into this machine. Hit enter. So it has started downloading. Hopefully it is going to be quick. Okay, so Appium is installed. You can see the message here. So I have already got Appium, so it has updated, but you can use this command npm install -g Appium. Let's check whether Appium is installed or not. We can use Appium -v, that is like to check the version. Okay, so you can see we have got the version 1.22.0. so that's the version we have got. Let's go to Appium website and find out whether this is latest version or not. So I can go to appium.io, that is the official website. Then let me click on this download Appium. Then you can see this is the latest release, version 1.22.0, and exactly the same version we have got. Now we can say where Appium to find out its installation location. Now you can see C, then Abisoft, AppData, roaming, npm, Appium. So it is installing within the user's local folder. So like we have AppData folder, in that it is installing. So now we have Appium installed. So just to recap, we have installed Node.js. Once it is installed using node-v, we can check the version. Then npm is already installed as part of that. Using npm-v, we can check its version. Then using this command npm install -g Appium, we can install Appium. After that we can use Appium-v to check its version. So we have Appium installed. Now we need to start the Appium. To start the Appium, you can just type Appium and then hit enter. It is going to start Appium server. So you can see welcome to Appium, and the Appium server has been started. So this is the official way. Then you can see the port here 4723. This is the official port or default port where Appium is going to start. So this is how you can use Node.js and then install and start Appium on your machine. I will do a separate video to install Appium on Mac OS as well. That video tutorial will be coming soon. Let me go back to the presentation. Then let's go to the next slide. Now let's see how to install Appium by downloading the Appium desktop. For that we need to go to Appium.io website. So let me go to Appium.io website. So this is the official Appium.io website. Then you can see this button, download Appium. Click on that button. Then it will take you to the GitHub. So this is the Appium GitHub repository, and from here you can see the Appium desktop status, projects, task, all that. So this is the latest version 1.22.0. so let me scroll down. Then you can see different installers. I can install on Windows, or I can install on Mac or Linux. Because I have Windows 64-bit, I'm going to use this one, Appium Server GUI Windows 1.22.0 exe. So let me click on this one. Okay, so this is a big one, 239 MB file. So this is going to take time. So click on save file. Then I have already got this file downloaded under software Appium. I have got this file. So let me go to that location. So this is the installer. So we can double click on that, then it will start installing Appium desktop. So let me double click on that. So click install anyway. Okay, so this is Appium Server Installer, Appium Desktop. So I can say that install for all the users. So select this one, install for all the users, then click install. You can see the installation has started. It is going to take some time, so please be patient. In the meanwhile, you can subscribe to our channel to get the best videos from us. Okay, installation is done. You can see completing Appium Server GUI setup. Then by default this checkbox is selected, run Appium Server GUI. So click on finish. It is going to start Appium Server GUI. Okay, so this is Appium Desktop. So here we can enter the host, like by default this is localhost, then port. You can see official port is there, 4723. Then we can say start server. We can also go to advanced configuration, or we can also have like some presets here. So let me go to simple mode, then I can say start server. Because we have already running a server on that port, you can see 4723, so server is already running on that, so it is not able to start. So here I can give some other port like 45s. Okay, now I can say start server. You can see the server has been started on 45's port. Let me go back to the presentation. Okay, so we have installed Appium Desktop, then we have started Appium as well. To check the status, we can use this command, like to check remotely, or if on a remote machine, if the Appium is running from your machine, you can check. So you can use this HTTP command or request to check the server status. So let me go to Firefox. Then use that command. You need to give the IP, like whatever the server name or server IP, then the port number, the exact port number, then WD hub status. So let me hit enter. It is going to come up with the status. Okay, so we have got the status. You can see it is returning with the Appium version, then status 0. That means our Appium server is up and running. If I go to the command line, you can see it is saying that the request has been received, like WD hub status, and then the response has been sent. Now if you want to stop the Appium server, here you can simply say like Control C. So it is like Control C, then you can see terminate batch job, yes or no. You can say yes, then it is going to terminate. Sometimes if that port is used for some other purposes, or if you want to start on a different port, then you can say Appium then -- port, then you can give whatever port number you want, let's say 48. So this is the command to start Appium on a different port. Let me hit enter. Now you can see Appium has been started on 48's port. Now if I go here and then refresh this, because Appium is not running here, it is going to say like there is no connection. You can see unable to connect, because at this port there is no Appium running. Let me go back to the presentation. So we have seen how to install Appium like via Node.js or via Appium Desktop, then how to start on a different port, then how to check the Appium server status remotely. Let me go to the next slide. So if you have any questions related to the Appium installation, like configuration related or port related or advanced setup related, mention in the comment section, we will help you. Then going further, we have one tool called Appium Doctor to verify the installation. So using this Appium Doctor, we can verify whether Appium setup, configuration, and whatever required other tools, like whatever required for Appium automation, that is correctly set up or not. For that we have this GitHub page. So this is the GitHub page for Appium Doctor. So let me go to this GitHub page. You can find this link within the video description as well. I will provide this link for you. So this is the Appium Doctor GitHub page, and from here you can download Appium Doctor. Then you can find out like usage instructions and more in-depth details about that. So you can see Appium Doctor. Then this attempts to diagnose and fix common Node and iOS and Android configuration. So whatever required for Appium automation either on iOS or Android, whether it is there within your system or not, this is going to find out. Then this is the command to install. You can install it using Node.js. So let me copy this command. Then let me go to the command line now. Okay, so let me stop Appium server here. Now I can paste that command. So this is the command npm, then install, then Appium Doctor, then -g. So let me hit enter. It is going to install Appium Doctor. Okay, it is downloading the Appium Doctor. Okay, so Appium Doctor has been installed. Now you can say Appium Doctor, then -h to find out all the helpful commands or whatever different options you can do with this. Okay, you can see there are different options. We can use like -iOS to check the iOS setup, or -Android to check the Android setup. We can also use -version to check the version number. In the same way, we can also say like Appium -h to find out all different options that we can use with Appium server. Remember, we have used like -port. Like that, we have like a lot of commands or options that we can use with the Appium server. You need to pass these flags. So let me go to Appium Doctor. Then if you want to use like Android setup, so soon we are going to start with Android SDK installation, then Android test case. So we are going to write a Appium first test case soon. So for that, let's use this Android flag and check whether all Appium automation setup is done or not for Android. So I can say Appium Doctor, then -Android. So you need to type these spellings very carefully, so remember that. So let me hit enter. Okay, so it is verifying the setup. It is checking against different factors. You can see some like green infos or warnings. So we still need to install Android SDK, then we need to set up Android Home, Java Home. So you can find out all the details and whatever is missing. All these we are going to cover soon in the upcoming videos. Then we are going to write our first Appium test. Then let me go back to the presentation. So you can install Appium Doctor using Node.js. Then you can use these commands to check like Android setup or iOS setup. Let me go further. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment on the video. If you have any questions related to Appium installation, configuration, mention in the comment section. We will help you. See you in the next video.